Oh, they're still they don't play Saturday though. They play Sunday.
They play on Sunday?
And I think they're playing this week. Here. Oh yeah, of course.
Timer cleared.
Okay, I'm ready. Yeah.
Gear up.
Man, I was like, this plane is not turning on me now.
Tried.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there somebody landing? Dude, the wind is perfect right now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
That shows you how drag it is. As soon as I turned off the throttle, it stopped. Not for this thing. The afterburner looks good. Okay, we'll go with you.
Time remaining 1
Dirty roll,
minute.
baby.
Dirty roll. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty. Ah! All right. Oh shit.
30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Me neither.
1.
We gotta,
Time expired.
we gotta start and turn. We gotta do a real sharp turn to set up for it. Like right here. We're splitting the sun. I'll set up for a high alpha. I want to see if I can get into a really good high alpha. Oh, there we go. It's floating like a feather. There we go.
1 minute over.
Still in it.
Huh?
I said I'm still in it.
Oh, damn, you're still in it?
Yep. Full up. I'm turning with the rudder. Dirty roll! Hey!
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you get it right, you can hold full up elevator and it's totally controllable. See? Are you doing it?
Yeah.
And then just turn with the rudder. Keep the wings level with the ailerons and then just make your turns sort of flat with the rudder.
2 minutes over.
Alright, I gotta come in, my battery's tired. Whoa!
Gear down.
My battery is tired.
Yeah, mine is tired too.
Okay, I'm down. That was fun, man. But once you figure out how to get it, you can just hold full up elevator and just use throttle.
Rudder.
Yeah.
A little bit of aileron to keep the wings level.
Yeah.
Rudder. Oh man, and my gyro wasn't even all the way up.
Yeah, mine's barely. Well, mine's on a little bit.
3 minutes
I could
over.
have used a little more. It would have been easier because I was moving my surfaces a little bit.
Yeah.
Like my aileron was moving a little bit.
That was fun.
Yeah, this battery is good.
5,000?
The 5500.
Oh hell yeah. The which one? Roaring top?
Yeah, it's really good in this plane.